Hello folks, welcome to TopekaKnives.com. I got a tactical folding knife here. It's a Tac-Force model TF-711UC. It has a 5-inch handle, a 4-inch blade, and it's 9 inches overall when fully open. It has a window breaker right here and a hole for a lanyard. The frame is made of aluminum. It has a pocket clip on one side. It is assisted opening, and it's pretty fast. It's got an urban camo painted blade, which is stainless steel. It is a liner lock. Got the liner lock there. See if we can get you a better view. Oh, it also has a seatbelt cutter. I missed that a second ago. It's a really great tactical knife. Great for everyday carry. Well, I appreciate you watching the video and have a good day.